Morning guys, happy Tuesdays. I worked in yesterday because, well, I'll show you in a minute, but this is what's going on. In fact, this is how it all pans out, all your cabling. Look at that little bobcat, that's a job in itself, it really is. It's a skill in itself. That's where I'm going to be. Yeah. Flop 2's got the block paving down. Is there anybody there? No. So, yeah, back inside. Right, quick project update. Sparky's been, that's electrician up here in Yorkshire. Just for those of you that didn't know, so that's in the floor heating, and this is what I did on Friday. From all corners, and it slopes down. Time consuming, but yeah, good job. Enjoy it. I enjoy it. You can't rush these things. So if you rush it, you get it wrong. You're just going to come back and do it again. So take your time. Cut them, I always put them in dry first, and then, or half of them in dry, to make sure I get all the measurements right. Then get some gobble mixed up, start sticking them down, and put them all together like a giant jigsaw. So you can see how it's coming now. For the last hour and a half or so, I've been cutting, and I've just had to take part of that wire up, put the rest of the floor down, put these few little bits back in. Reason being, if I don't, then I'm backing all the tile up, and it's just making it work a lot harder for me. It's just makes it harder when I can, for that hour and a half spent now, hour and a half, 2 hours, messing about. It's just sitting there a lot of time, plus rewalking certain parts of wire and putting it back, straight in, in all these little 20-minute jobs. It takes time, all adds up. So that's that ready. You're wondering why there's no wire there, because that's where the bath's going. And I think this cabinet's going there, I'm not entirely sure, I don't know this yet, so let's leave that wire on the bath. That's it for now. I'll be back shortly. See you in a bit.